Hey everyone, welcome to a very, very dirty JCR garage as we are transitioning into our new space that maybe you've seen some videos of. But at any rate, we have our 2-inch Mopar lift installed on our JL. There's a big old pile of parts there. I think we might still use the wheels for a little while. What do you think? I picked up some wheel spacers just in case. They're 7.5 inches wide, so not ideal for 37s, but they'll look pretty cool. Let's talk about this Mopar lift really quick. Let me grab a light. Kind of neat. Some of the things they did are pretty cool. There's a like a plastic coil bucket down there that kind of braces the coil all the way around. The coils have these little Armour slides on them. I think I really don't know what they're for, but there they are. They could be stops for binding. I'm not an engineer, so I don't know. Extra bump stop, and that bump stop has a stud on it that goes down into that bucket, so you have to fish a nut up from the bottom to tighten it. Pretty beefy looking Fox shocks. Oh, no more stud on top. That's really cool. No more fighting with that stupid stud up there. Now it's just a standard through bolt, which is pretty fantastic. It comes with control arms, and they're like, I don't know, like a 1/4 inch longer or 3/8 of an inch longer. So, I mean, it's a 2-inch lift. I was actually surprised that it came with control arms, but I guess they really wanted that caster to be right. So, comes with longer sway bar end links, I think. Yeah, let's look. I didn't install the lift. Cody here actually installed the lift, so I'm just kind of going over it. Beefy steering. I like the design of that. We'll see how well it holds up. There's some, what's on back here? Of note are these plastic shock armor that like bolts on with these button head bolts. I don't know. That seems a little cheesy to me. It's not strong by any means. I guess it will keep like rock and dings off from the pistons, but man, I don't know about that. Or the shafts rather, not the pistons. And then, you know, some longer bump stops in the rear too, or some bump stop spacers, bump stop pads. Cody, did this come with longer? Hi, Cody. Did this come with longer rear sway bar end links too?
Yes, it did.
Oh, so it came with front and rear sway bar end links.
Correct.
That's pretty cool. And then just front lower control arms.
Correct.
Awesome. Well, that is our JL lift. We're going to steal some wheels and tires off the Manchi to put it on 37s temporarily until we get some new tires coming. But we're going to do that. You'll probably see some photos later. Thanks for watching, guys.